guys, welcome to yet another class. Today's topic is ponytail wig, as you can see on the screen. If you are joining us for the first time, you are welcome, and if you've been here before, you are also welcome. Please do subscribe, like and share this video to support us. Yes, today we are starting. I'm going to teach you how we do it from scratch. First, we take the measurements. The measurement we are taking of the mesh is 4 by 4 inches. After cutting out the 4 by 4 inches, we'll cut another mesh measurement of 3 by 8 inches. After cutting the 3 by 8 inches mesh, what we do with that one, we fold it into 3 places to give a little bit of hard volume. Then we move to the sewing machine. As you can see, I've sewn the 4 by 4 inches mesh to give a good finishing, and now place the 3 by 8 inches over it, and I will sew it through. Yes, this is what we are trying to achieve. See that? So what we do now, we now sew our weft. It could be human hair blend, expression attachment, anyone depending on what you want to use. You sew it line by line on top of each other on the 4 by 4 inches mesh that I cut. Next, we sew on the tail end of the 8 by 2 inches, 8 by 3 inches of it. We sew a little weft on it. That we use to wrap the ponytail. You will see how I do it at the end of this video. Sew firmly to secure it. We are done. This is the result of what we have been doing. The ponytail wig. Now you sit back and watch how I fix it on somebody's hair. After packing the hair properly, you can use your gel to pack it neatly. Then you place the ponytail wig over it. As you can see, I did not weave the hair I packed. I left it standing to give the ponytail a kind of boost. So what you do now is to use the pin, the hair pin, to pin the beginning down. After which you pull it round the packed hair, as you can see on the string. You use another pin to secure it again at the other end. Then you see the extended mesh. You will use that to wrap it round. Round it with the hair at the tail end. You can go several times. You see how beautiful this is coming up. After which you use the third hairpin to pin it down at the back of the hair, just like so. That is it. See how beautiful and neat it's looking. With this ponytail wig, you have no problem. Anytime you can just pack your hair, fix it, and you are good to go. No matter the occasion, you are good. good to go. Thank you so much for watching. This is something you can really do on your own at home. You can use any type of hair you want or any type of hair you can afford and come out with something beautiful like this. Try it. I would really like to hear from you. If you have any questions, please let me hear it on the comment box. Thank you so much for stopping by once again. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and also put on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when a new video comes up. Thank you and goodbye.